Sports complexes are multi-purpose facilities that cater to a wide range of activities and events, making them an essential component of any community's recreational infrastructure. These facilities typically feature multiple buildings and outdoor spaces designed to accommodate athletes, spectators, and the staff of various sports and recreational activities. Sports complexes are often equipped with state-of-the-art amenities, such as restrooms, concession stands, locker rooms, pavilions, trash enclosures, and announcers' booths, ensuring that all visitors have a comfortable and enjoyable experience. With so many different structures and considerations, ROMTech is the perfect solution. We handle the design and the construction of all the buildings on the site so that everything is cohesive, functional, and affordable. By investing in sports complexes, communities can promote physical fitness, foster teamwork, and create a sense of community pride. Contact ROMTech today and get going on the design of your sports complex.